These are the original inhabitant, local people of this area. Hello guys, welcome back to my another episode, and this will be the second episode of our trip to Langhampi and Apsir Waterfall. And before reaching to the Apsir Waterfall, we have to cross one river, guys. You can see, and this is the river, and we have to cross. And actually, yes, it is a river. We have to remove our shoes, slipper, and so on. But I'm also lazy, so I'm not going to remove. So I'm also crossing the river, guys. So I should be very careful while crossing the river because the stones here are very slippery. Wow. So finally I have already crossed the river, guys, and all my friends have already gone ahead, and I'm so traveling on now. Finally I have already crossed the river, and I'm heading on to Apsir, guys. I don't know how much far from here again, but still I'm walking on. I can see from here. See, those are my friends. They have already went ahead of me, and they are all going ahead. I'm also now going on, guys. Now, wow. Before reaching to the waterfall, it is quite jungle, guys. We are all moving on. This is our group, and this is our gang. This is jungle exploring gang. So we are all exploring. See, this is another places known as Apsir Waterfall, guys. I'm visiting for the first time here. That's why I'm also very happy, and I'm so much catching up. So this is, you have to go from this side. First step. Now we are going to see the first step, guys. I heard that it has got 3 steps of waterfall. This Apsir Waterfall consists of 3 steps, and now we are going to see the first step. And at the same time, I'm going to show you for all of you guys. I'm very happy and excited and very eager to see. Wow! Woo! Finally, about to reach. I have heard the sound. And this is Mr. Ronti. Finally, we have reached, guys. Wow! Really, very nice and very beautiful. Feel like jumping from here. Wow, guys. This is the first step of Apsir Waterfall, guys. Okay, this is very, very nice. This is the first step of the Apsir Waterfall. Wow. This is really amazing and really beautiful, really very nice. This is called the natural beauty. This is natural beauty, guys. Down. Wow! Finally, we have already reached to the place. finally we have reached the spot, guys. And this is the Thai Apsir Waterfall, guys. See, wow, this is really very nice and really amazing, guys. Wow. There seems to be very large and very big now. I have already shown you the first fall, and now once again we're going to the second fall, and we are going to see and explore the second step of the Thai Apsir Waterfall located at West Krabi Anglong, Meghalaya border. I don't know how much far again left from the first fall, but as the expertise who took us and who brought us here, the main leadership are taking us, and at the same time I'm following them. So let's go and see the natural beauty of Thai Apsir second fall. So guys, we are about to reach the second fall of the Thai Apsir Waterfall, guys, and I am going down and about to reach the second fall. Is very beautiful, guys, and some of them have brought their eatable things, rice, meat, and they're cooking there because the smoke is coming out. Wow, this is really very nice, guys. I will turn around now. Finally, this is the Thai Apsir Waterfall, guys. Finally, dreams come true. After a long time, I've been thinking of visiting this waterfall and this place, and finally, God has given me the chances, God has given me the opportunity, and dreams come true. Now, finally, I'm here, guys. This is Thai Apsir Waterfall. Original inhabitant, local people of this area. Woi,